South Africa is a country with magnificent riches, with treasures that should be shared by everyone. Introducing the Agricultural Development Agency, an initiative that aims to achieve exactly that. Significant funds and resources have been allocated to establish new commercial farmers, but this needed to be aligned. The Agricultural Development Agency is not a government agency, but part of the Public-Private Growth Initiative, which was established in April 2018. Through an extensive process of consultation since September 2018 with all agriculture stakeholders, from government to smallholder farmers, it became clear that common ground existed on all sides, but this needed to be aligned.
What we have seen over the last number of months is that the common ground could be stabilized and that on the basis of that we could actually grow. The need for and the understanding that we need a body or an agency, as it came out, that could address both the needs of existing farmers but also new farmers in such a way that the land issue is also being addressed.
The purpose of the Agricultural Development Agency is twofold. Firstly, to create funding opportunities for new farmers, and secondly, to transfer skills from existing farmers to others. AGDA will play a facilitating role in these relationships.
So funding for this particular entity, and obviously we've been in extensive consultation with various funders over the last 18 months, will come primarily from the private sector. Government itself is not intended to put in any funding into this agency, but rather to assist from much more a policy or regulatory environment in helping us to unblock certain areas so that private sector investment can flow into particular projects.
Anyone in agriculture, from the smallholder farmer to the multinational agribusiness, can contribute to the Agricultural Development Agency, and in this way get the much needed support for development initiatives. Being private sector managed, the agency won't overreach its means, and only qualifying farmers and projects will be supported, especially starting off. But as confidence and finances grow, so too will its impact and reach. Gloria Sirobe, one of the leading inspirations and contributors to the creation of AGDA, remarked, "The Agricultural Development Agency must have a well-developed social conscience, and it must be institutionalized in a manner that will ensure it is always dedicated to such imperatives." The ultimate goal of the Agricultural Development Agency is to assist every developing farmer to do better, to ensure sustainable land reform and regional food security. Let us work together for sustainability.